Okay, so this is chapter 2 revision classes are going on so that you can prepare for your upcoming test. So let us now solve the first question. Round off each of the following to the nearest 10. Okay, you have already studied that how to round off the given numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So we have to round off the given numbers to the nearest 10. Okay. So let us round off 62 to the nearest 10. What I have told you that if you want to round off the given number to the nearest 10, then you have to see the unit place number. Okay. If the unit place number is less than 5, if the unit place number is less than 5, then make it 0 and do not add anything, just write the next number as it is. Okay, so 60 is your answer. Fine. For example, if we want to round off 65 to the nearest 10 and the unit place number is 5, then we make it 0, but we have to add 1 in 6. So it will become 6 plus 1, 7. 70 will be your answer. On the other hand, if you want to round off 68 to the nearest 10, then this number is more than 5. So if the unit place number is more than 5, then also you make it 0, but add 1 in the next number, so it will become 7. So your answer is 70. Is it clear? Now the thing is that the rule is that if the number is less than 5, then you don't have to add anything in the next number. But if the number is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add 1 in the next number. Okay, and you have to make the underline number 0 in each case. Is it clear? Now let us do the next part of this question. So the next question is 265. 265. Okay. And we have to round off 265 to the nearest 10. So we will see the unit place number, which is 5. So make it 0 and add 1 in 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2 as it is. So 270 is the answer. Okay, 270 is the answer. Always remember, when the unit place number is 5, then you have to add 1 in the next number. Next part, 8,261. And you have to round off the number to the nearest 10. So the unit place number is 1, which is less than 5. So we will make this one 0. And we don't have to add anything. Just write all the numbers as it is. 8,260. This is the answer. Clear? Now let us do the next question. Round off each of the following to the nearest 100. So 748. We have to round off to the nearest 100. Okay. So if we want to round off nearest 100, what number? We have to see nearest 10. We have to underline the number which is at 10th place. Clear? Always you underline the number less than 1. I mean to say that if you have to round off the number nearest 100, then you will underline the number which is at 10th place. If you want to round off the number nearest 1000, then you will underline the number which is at the 100th place. Okay, clear? So you will make this 8 0 and this 4 also 0. And since 4 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, that's why we will not add anything in 7. So 700, this is your answer. Okay. Now next question is 784. So now you have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So what you are going to do, just underline the number which is at 10th place, which is 8. Okay, so you will make this 40, this 80 and 8 is more than 5. That is why you have to add 1 in the 7. So 800 is your answer. Clear? Yes, 800 is your answer. So the next question is 2667. Fine. 2667. And we have to round off this number to the nearest 100. So we will underline the number which is at the tens place. So first of all, this 7 becomes 0. Then this 6 becomes 0. And since 6 is more than 5, that is why we have to add 1 in this 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and 2. So your answer is 2700. Is it clear? 2700. Now next number is 5432. 5432. So first of all, you have to underline the number which is at tens place because you have to round off the number to the nearest 100. So make this 2 0, then this 3 also 0, and 3 is less than 5. So we will not add 1 in 4. So 4 as it is and 5 as it is. 5400. This is your answer. 5400. Okay. Fine. Now the next question, round off each of the following to the nearest 1000. Round off each of the following to the nearest 1000. And the question is 6475. So we have to round off the number to the nearest 1000. That is why now this time we will underline the number which is at 100 place. Okay. Because we have to round off nearest 1000. So that is why we will underline the number which is at 100 place. So which number is at 100 place? Which number is at 100 place? Yes, 4. 4 is at 100 place. So we will make this 50 and 7040. Okay, and then 4 is less than 5. That is why we will not add 1 in 6. So 6000 is the right answer. Okay, 6000 is the right answer. Now next question is 6732. So now underline 7, make this 20, this 30, and 7 is more than 5. So first of all, make this 70 and add 1 in 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7000 is your answer. Clear, students? Students? Next question is round of the following to the nearest tens. Okay, so rupees 5602. 5602, and we have to round off this number to the nearest 10. So we will underline the unit place number because we have to round off the nearest tens. That is why underline unit place number. Okay, so unit place number is 2. Fine. So make this 2 0. Since 2 is less than 5, so we will not add anything in 6. So 6 as it is and 5 as it is. And rupees, the sign of rupees. Don't forget to write the sign of rupees. So your answer is rupees 560. Is it clear? Now the second question says 837 meter. So underline 7 because 7 is at the unit place. So make this 70. And since 7 is more than 5, so we have to add 1 in 3. Okay. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and add 8 as it is. So 840 meter is your correct answer. 840 meter. And let us do now the third question. 545 centimeter and round off to the nearest tens. So we will underline the unit place number. So make this 50, and since this is a 5, so we have to add 1 in 4. So 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 5 as it is 550 centimeter. This is your answer. 550 centimeter. Fine. Okay, students. Are you getting what I am teaching to you? Very good. Keep writing your comments in the comment box, okay? So that, because you all, I have muted everyone, so I cannot listen your voice, but I can read your chats, okay? So question number 7, list all the numbers which can round off to 30. And one more thing, students, to these questions which are left. In your SW copy, or you can say in your, not in the copy where you have done your. So now let us do this question, list all the numbers which can be rounded off to 30. So what are the numbers? What are all the numbers? If we round off them, then we'll get 30 as answer. So first of all, the smallest number is 25. Yes, 25, because if we round off 25, we'll get 30. Okay, then the next number is 26, because if we round off 26 again, we'll get 30. Ansh Vimal. Okay. Then 27, 28, 29, and then 30, of course. Then 31. Okay, then 32, 33, 34. So up to 34, if we round off, we'll get 30. But if we round off 35, then we'll get 40. So 35 is not there in this answer. So the numbers are what? Students, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So from 25 to 34, you can say from 25 to 34, these are the numbers that if they are rounded off, we'll get 30 only. Okay, is it clear, students? Now only there are some students which are who are replying, other students are not replying. I don't know what they are doing. Only there are some specific students who are replying each and every time. Everyone to write the answers in the comment box. Okay, you know that where is your chat box? Use your chat box to write your answer. Now next question says list all the numbers which can be rounded off to 50. So this question you have to do yourself. Okay, next question, write the smallest and the largest number which are rounded off to 80. Clear? So the smallest, only you have to tell the smallest and the largest number, not all the numbers. So which is the smallest number and which is the largest number? If we round it off, then we'll get 80 as answer. So the smallest number is, tell me fast, which is the smallest number? Smallest number is 75. Okay, and what is the largest number that if we round off that number, we'll get 80? The greatest or largest number? Tell me, which is the largest number? I'm waiting for your answer. Okay, so first of all, we have to round off the numbers, then we have to add them. So first question is 336. So we have to round off 336 to the nearest 100. So nearest 100 means underline tens place number. Okay, underline tens place number, which is at the tens place 3. So make 6 0 and make 3 also 0, and 3 is less than 5. So we will not add anything in this 3. So 300 we will get. Okay. And 782, round off this also to the nearest 100. So we'll get 800. Now add both of them. 1100. This is your answer. Very good, Mansi. Akshara. Ansh Patel. Very good, Akshara. Lavisa. Ferris. Talha. Sara. Jatin. 800. Yes, 800. But write your final answer. Rukaiya, your answer is also correct. Now let us do the next question. 546. So round of 546 first of all to the nearest 100. So 6, make this 6040 and 500 as it is. And the next number is 342. Okay, 342. So 003. Now add both of them, you will get 800. This is your answer. And now do the third part. 270, round of 270, what you will get? 003. Okay, because you have to add 1 in this 2. And the next number is 495. So 005. And now add them, you'll get 800. So this is the explanation. Fine. So your answer will be, first of all, what you have to do, round off 82 to the nearest 10, you'll get 80, and round off 27 to the nearest 10, you'll get 30. Then you have to subtract. So you will get 50 as your answer. Next question. 96 and 36, round off. Okay, last 10 minutes are left. So round off 96 to the nearest 10, you'll get 100. And round off 36, you'll get what? 40. So now subtract 40 from 100, you will get 60. Is it clear? In question number 1, we have rounded off 769 to the nearest 100, we'll get 800, and 314. Round off 314 to the nearest 100, you'll get 300. Then subtract 300 from 800, you will get 500. Second question, you have to do. So 856 round off to the nearest 100, you'll get 900, and 687 to the nearest 100, you will get 700. Now subtract 700 from 900, you will get 200 as your answer. This is the answer. Clear, students? Question number 7. Estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest 10. So you have to first round off the numbers to the nearest 10. Then you will have to multiply. So round off 49 to the nearest 10, you will get, since 9 is more than 5, you will add 1 here. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 50 you will get. And 52, if you will round off 52, again you'll get 50. Then multiply 50 by 50, you will get 5 5s are 25 and 20 as it is. Clear, students, or not? Second question. 63, round off 63 to the nearest 100, you will get 60, and round off 38, you will get 40. Okay, then multiply 6 fours are 24 and 20 as it is. This is the answer. Clear or not? So what do you think? Rounding of the number, is it an easy chapter or a tough chapter according to you? Is it an easy or tough chapter? Azima is saying easiest. Okay, easy. Everybody is saying very easy. Okay. Nobody is saying that. Yes, of course, because you just have to understand that how to round off the different numbers to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, nearest 10,000. And I think 10,000 is not there in your chapter. In any exercise, 10,000 is not there. You just have to understand how to round off the number to the nearest 10, the nearest 100, and nearest 1000. That's it. And once you understand the basic concept, once you understand the basic formula that how to round off the given numbers, then it becomes very, very easy for you to solve these kind of questions. Okay. And you all are very smart, I know. So now this is question 9. This question will be appear in the video. You have to do this question yourself. Fine. So you have to do this question plus this question, where it was. This question number 8, and the last question you have to do and send it to me in your homework in the evening from 5 to 6 p.m. or between 4 to 6 you can send. Okay, between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. you can send me your answers. Now I'm going to give one question from my side. Let's see who can do this. So be ready, क्योंकि I am going to see के देखो आंसर तो सब कर लेंगे, लेकिन I will check कि कौन सबसे पहले आंसर करेगा. Fine. Okay. So are you ready? So the question is, estimate by rounding off to the nearest 100. And the question is 5,732 divided by 2,830. Do this question. Let's see who is going to do this question. You can find your answer in decimal also, okay? No, find your answer in decimal also, or in fraction form also. You can give your answer in fraction form or in decimal form. Aditya Verma has given the answer, but I don't think that this is the right answer. Oh ho, Azima. Very fast calculation. I think you are using the calculator because you have found the answer to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, nearest 11 decimal places. Okay, so when you are going to round off 5732 to the nearest 100, fine. So you nearest 100 means you have to underline nearest, the number which is at the tens place. Nearest 100 means underline the number which is at the tens place, which is 3. So make this 20 and this 30 and 7 and 5 as it is. And 2832. So make this 20308 and 2 as it is. Now you are going to divide. Okay. So 5700 divided by 2800. So 00 cancel each other. So 57 upon 28. Now you will, you can say this is your answer, or you can